How many times a year should you treat a septic tank? Maintaining a septic system is essential for avoiding costly repairs and keeping your home environment safe. A common question homeowners ask is, how many times a year should you treat a septic tank? The answer depends on several practical factors, but a simple routine can keep your system running efficiently. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. How often should you treat it? In most cases, septic tank treatment should be done 1 to 4 times per year. This range works well for different household sizes and usage levels. 1. Once a year, suitable for small households with low water usage. This keeps basic bacterial balance intact. 2. Twice a year, ideal for average families. It helps maintain steady breakdown of waste and prevents buildup. 3. 3 to 4 times a year, recommended for larger households or heavy water usage. Frequent treatment supports stronger bacterial activity. Key factors that affect frequency. 1. Household size. More people produce more waste, increasing the need for treatment. 2. Tank size. Smaller tanks fill up faster and may require more frequent care. 3. Water usage. High water use can dilute helpful bacteria, reducing efficiency. 4. Waste type, grease, chemicals, and non-biodegradable items can disrupt the system. Treatment versus pumping. It is important to understand that treatment is not the same as pumping. Treatment supports bacteria and should be done several times a year. Pumping removes solid waste and is usually needed every 3 to 5 years. Both are necessary for a healthy system. Signs you need treatment. Watch for these warning signs. Slow drains. Bad odors. Wet spots near the drain field. Gurgling sounds in pipes. These indicate your system may need immediate attention. So, how many times a year should you treat a septic tank? For most homes, treating it 2 to 4 times annually is a safe and effective approach. Combined with regular pumping and good habits, this schedule helps prevent problems and extends the life of your septic system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.